Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov, and in this fantastic video I'm gonna show you the fantastic transformations at first of the Hardworker woman nails, and as you can see her nails are totally destroyed and she also likes smoke. You know guys, we are nail masters, we never hesitate to transform these nails, and I think every true nail artist should never reduce or how to say help people like that, hard workers, because we should solve problems with people's nails, and no matter dirty hands or dirty fingers or not, we should always bring happiness, draw beautiful flowers and fantastic nail designs on their nails. You know guys, I want to thank you for your taking part in my life and in life of this woman. Sometimes I publish again and again her videos with the transformation to show new subscribers and new people how we can do good things for people. You know guys, I think that so we can change somebody's life doing such good things. I think that everything has changed from those years I started my channel, because a lot of nail masters, they learned the new technique of gel nails extensions, such effective, fantastic technique, and I'm so proud of my students, my subscribers who followed me. You know, this time we should never sorry, we shouldn't say bad things about each other. You know, guys, and now in our countries, in our world, so violent, so people becoming so rude. I will never be so rude in spite of everything. I want to say good things to people all over the world, and I know that we shouldn't blame nobody in such accidents, war or anything what's happening now in our planet. I know a lot of rude people around the world, but I don't attract my attention on them. I think that if every of us be kind, if everyone smile to each other, to people, and this way world will be changed. You know guys, some people say that they just can't influence the situation. I think that everyone can influence the situation and they can change the world. So let's start from yourself. You just stop. You should stop blaming somebody, scolding, arguing, or just telling bad things about people. You should reduce the war, reduce not taking part in these things like war, and you should protect your family, your friends, but no violence, no fight, no such things. And I think that we should start from ourselves. For example, for me, I'm half Ukrainian, half Russian, and I just can take somebody's position, Russian position or Ukrainian position. I have relatives now in Ukraine. You know, in Russia it's very dangerous to say something now, because you can get in prison for cheating or for lie. If you lie something about Russian army, if you lie something about the government or something else, I mean the fake news. If you tell in fake news, so it can be very dangerous for the person or for the blogger. And I just prefer not saying bad things or fake news about anything. I just want to guys just show that we can do something good for people around the world, like I do it for the Hardworker woman right now, transforming her nails for free. And if we start doing that, not throwing the wood into the fire to make it burn higher or more, we will never change this way anything. For example, if you want to know about me and my life, it's now it's Russia. It's a very calm situation, no war, no one conflict. I mean, in Russia, because we're protected with the forces, and all the incidents, all things are happening in Ukraine. I protect my family. I wanted to leave Russia, but I can't to do it right now. But in future, I'm going to settle down in Italy. I'm continuing doing videos for you guys, just showing you it's okay with me, and I'm just bring something to you. Want to teach you something. Want to change something in your life, and and also to share my skills with you. Not only that's connected with the nail extensions and the nail art, also about some health, some how to, for example, how to be healthy, how to struggle with some disease, because I also had some medical education, and I know in this industry something. Guys, my learning of English is not on the high level. Sometimes I just can't to speak with you on particular topics. In the common things in general, it's very easy for me to speak with you. But when I start telling about the medical terms or something else, it's not easy, because my knowledge is low, and I need to consult with dictionary every time to find some words, terms to tell you about these things. But for example, I had no practice with speaking English people, only blogging, doing videos over voicing. But if I hear the speech of English-speaking people, for example, if he or she speaks very fast, sometimes I just don't understand what the person trying to tell me. I need him to speak slowly, because it's not easy, because there are accent and many words are so not easy to hear and to understand what he or she means. But I think that if I suddenly live in America, for example, and have a chance to speak with people, I think in a couple of weeks my English will be improved very fast. But in this situation, guys, I don't think that very soon I will come back. Oh, sorry, not come back, visit any country of America or Europe. I think that very soon will be closed by the cage. Of course, the post office will work the same way, because it's the basic things for health, for people. This is the this will not be closed, and If you're a customer of my shop, you shouldn't be worried. Anyway, packages will be delivered, maybe now at this moment in some delays, but they will be shipped anyway. So don't worry about it, because I guarantee you I'm responsible for it, and hope that you are patient enough to wait these packages and these orders. I also appreciate it that you believe in me, believe in my channel, in my family, and I'm so happy that 10 years ago I decided to make videos, to make my blog only for English-speaking people, and never do videos for Slavic people. And I know in that times I knew that we faced with this situation when the YouTube would be closed for Slavic people. That means the Russian government would can close the YouTube channel in Russia, but I can use the VPN to watch YouTube and to publish my videos. Of course, Russian people, they will never watch my videos, but they could never watch that videos because they are not for them. They are on the foreign language. That means I lose nothing in this situation. And if I have a chance to publish these videos, I think that it would be great that my subscribers from foreign countries would continue watching these videos, and I would tell you about all things that's happening in our country, because there are not many channels, not so many places where you can find out that information, the true information that's happening in my country, because it's very actual now. I think that all the world are watching news and want to know what's happening now in Russia, and they just don't understand because there are a lot of fake information about us, and you don't know in what news you should believe, in news of the NBC or the news from Russia Today, or if this channel is not closed already on the TV. So I'm gonna tell you all the news, because the news also influence on your economic situation. For example, I know that in some countries the price of fuel is increasing very fast because of this crisis. And for example, the world economic in the world is not divided. It's very placed very close. So one country can influence on the other country. For example, if the economic of China stopped suddenly, I think everyone feels it in this way, because and we know that the China is the main manufacturer in the world. And as for me, that of course we produce some products in Russia, drill bits and some gel products, but half of products we produce in China, because there are many factories. It's more profitable to produce some tools in China. What can I say more to you guys? I just want you to open the course, just to teach you how to open your personal landing or shop, how to create the beautiful picture of the product, how to advertise this product. I want to create. I just already teach you how to be successful nail masters. A lot of nail masters learned my techniques and they started doing these things. and I want to teach you how to do the business, how to create your brand, because I am the graphic designer, and I do all the logos, all the pictures by myself. I never ask anybody to create the style. You can visit shapeofnail.com and my shop just to take a look on pictures of products and on the style of this shop. If you like it, don't forget to click that like button and to ask me. And I'm gonna I will never make the course to buy. I will teach you individually. If you want to have lessons from me, just can contact me anytime, and we can do also the business in your country, also with the products, with the if you want to earn money, if you want to be successful in this industry, we can collaborate and do something great to collaborate together. So guys, just contact me if you want it, and wait for the next video tomorrow. See you, bye, I love you, have a good day, hey hey.